discuss class 11th maths and chapter number 1. We have already discussed about the set, subset, type of subset and also some important result about subsets. Today we will discuss the interval as a subset of R. Clear? Means we will conclude a given set into a given interval. So we have two type of intervals. First is closed interval. So first we will discuss closed interval and after that we will discuss open interval, and then semi-closed and semi-open interval. So the closed interval, first we will define. Let A and B are two given real numbers. So what A and B we have are real numbers in which B is greater than A. Clear? Two real numbers and B is greater than A. Then the set all real number X such that means X is any variable between these two such that how we are writing the variable X? X is greater than equal to A but less than equal to B. Clear? So this is called closed interval and is denoted by the square bracket A comma square bracket B. So let us now understand about this closed interval. So we have X. X is greater than A is any real number and B is another real number. So X is between any variable. So we can write it as thus. If you will find somewhere written as A square bracket A comma B and square bracket, it means what? X is any number which belongs to real number set and X is greater than equal to A but less than equal to B. Clear? Okay, we can understand it by an example. So any example we have given. Let's suppose 2, 8. Clear? So, and it is written X belongs to this interval. X belongs to 2, 8. So how we write it as? So 2, 8 we can write it as X belongs to the set of real number such that X is greater than equal to 2 but less than equal to 8. Clear? And what is the set? What is the resulting set? So the resulting set is A. Just look at that. X is greater than equal to 2, so we will take also 2. 2, then 3. Sorry, it is real number I will take. We can write it as Z, integers. If I will take integer, so we can write it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? X belongs to integers greater than equal to but less than equal to 8. So this is our closed interval. Clear? Now we can take one more example. Example number 2. Example number 2. X belongs to -1, 2. So it means X belongs to real number and such that X is greater than equal -1 but less than equal 2. Clear? So if we can draw a number line for this, we can write it as this is the number line. Suppose this is -1, this is 1, this is 2. So if we move further, so we will get minus infinity, and this direction we get plus infinity. So we are drawing the set of real numbers, so that is between -1 and 2. So this is in -1 we will form a dot, black dot, and 2 also. Clear? It means -1 and 2 is also included. Now the next we will understand open interval. Okay students, open interval. So the open interval, if a and b are two given real numbers such that a is less than b again, then the set of all real numbers x such that, means x is any real number between a and b. How we are denoted it as x is greater than a and less than b is called open interval and denoted by this bracket. So you might be understand that the difference between these two. In first set what we have equal, x is greater than equal and less than equal, but in this case only greater, not equal sign is there. Thus we can write it as, thus a comma b, we can write it as x is belongs to real number such that x is greater than a but less than b. Clear? So it is wonder to understand the difference between them. What is the difference? The difference is not only the bracket. In first we will take a square bracket, in second we will take a simple bracket. Clear? So it is not only the difference is also it has equal, greater than equal. It means a is included. We will take a also and b also, but in this case we will take the elements between a and b only. Clear? So we can understand it by an example again. Example 1, x, we can write it as close interval 2,8. Similarly the last example we have taken, and 2,8 is equal to, x is belongs to again integers such that, I will take integer to clear your concept. So 2 is greater than, x is greater than 2 but less than 8. So what element we have getting? So we get a set B, suppose. So in set B we get, will not take 2, so we get greater than 2 integers, so 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. No, will not take 8 because 8x is less than equal to 8. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you that the open interval and the closed interval. Clear? Okay. If I will be explain this by an example to a number line, again we have similarly the same example. I will take -1, 2 such that x is belongs to real number. Clear? And -1 x is less than equal to, less than 2, not equal to, greater than -1 but less than 2. So we can define it by a number line. So we have a number line this. In this number line we can write it as, it is 0, it is -1, it is -1 and so on. So minus infinity, it is 1, it is 2 and so on plus infinity. Clear? Okay. We have now, if you draw the structure of this number line, so we can write it as a open circle over there, it is open circle also, and a line, dark line. So these open circle, the indication of this one like that, and the close, it is dotted, black dotted. So this is indicating that will not take -1 and 2 also. Clear? So this is the interval, open interval. Now semi-open and semi-closed interval. semi-open and semi-closed interval. So again, if a and b are two real number such that a is greater than b, b is greater than a, then the set a open interval a comma close interval b. How we read it? Open interval a and close interval b such that x is belongs to real number such that x is greater than a but less than equal to b. So this bracket is indicating what? Equal also. Clear? So, and also we have closed interval a but open interval b. So how we write it as x is real number x belongs to real number such that x is greater than equal to a but less than b. Clear? So this is your open and closed interval. So it means it is open a, so only greater than a, and b is equal, so it is greater than equal to a but less than equal to b. Similarly, this is closed. So closed interval a and open interval b, it means we will not take including b, also we will take greater than a but less than equal to b. Clear? So this is your open and closed interval. In next video I will discuss universal set and the power set.